A collection that's unique, feminine, yet contemporary in character. We will present before you some of the most exquisite timepieces that celebrate the substance.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Titan Industries, it gives me great pleasure this afternoon to welcome all of you to what we believe is a grand launch preceding the onset of the festive season, the launch of Raga crystals from Titan. Today on the 4th of October, we are witness to what I believe will be one of the finest women's accessories ever to be launched in this country. India's first women's watch brand as many as 15 years ago, Titan Raga today is synonymous with women's watches in the country. All of us in Titan and for all of you, the Raga Crystals Collection, an intoxication of sparkling crystals, a celebration of what else? Of style. A second watch here, what else but Venus, the first. And you will see on this watch mesmerizing crystals on an elliptical bracelet. All along the bracelet are crystals, on the dial of the watch are crystals. Few women can resist falling for the hypnotic charm of this watch from the Raga Crystals collection. A fourth watch here, laced with crystal all around, a flaming dial, laced with icy crystals. Indeed, between precious metal and crystal, a rendezvous of two glamorous, four beautiful watches.
An exceptionally gifted individual who embodies everything that Raga represents. If you could just have a few words with Ms. Mukherjee.
ये सब आपका करिश्मा रानी पीछे थोड़ा या राइट रानी जी वॉच दिखाना मैम वॉच मैम वॉच रानी
Alright, Rani, you just have a
this side. Ma'am, this side.
You've been associated with the Titan Raga brand for quite a few years now. How would you say that your relationship has been with this brand?
I think my relationship has been great. I completely like the brand, and as I said last year, that I have an emotional bond with Titan because that's the first watch my father had gifted me. And down the years now that I'm the brand ambassadress, I feel extremely proud and honored to be the brand ambassadress of Titan Raga. Brand is really, really nice and very stunning because I guess they're seeing it. I think what's great about the watch is that you can wear it this year for Diwali and for Dussehra and for Eid. So I think it's a brand for all the festivals and for the festive season. So I think it's stunning because everyone would like to gift their family something, and because it's so close to looking like a bracelet, like a jewelry, that it just adds to it. It's just not a watch, it's kind of a jewelry item. So I think it'll be really special if you want to gift your mother or your sister or your wife or your girlfriend with the Titan Raga.
We've just had, could you just share your experience with us about how it felt doing that actual new commercial?
Yeah, contrary to popular belief, Prasad Pandey did shoot the ad. With a recent article saying that I'd asked him that he should not be part of the commercial, but that's not true. His company, Wilderness Films, did shoot the ad and they shot it beautifully. And they've got very talented directors like Sainath and the other one being Prashant. And I think both of them have done a stunning job. And it's lovely to have worked with them because they're young people and young directors and they give something really fresh and really nice. So I really enjoyed shooting for it. And the brief that Titan had given them, I think they've come out with flying colours.
And I'm sure, a final question from my end, it's a question I'm sure everybody wants to know. We've been seeing the promotions for your new movie, okay? Laga Chunari Medag, and how would you actually, do you want to tell us or share anything about the new movie with us?
I can only say one thing, that all my films are really, really special to me, and this one's releasing on the 12th, so hopefully I think people will be going and watching it, and I'm really eagerly waiting for the response and how the audience feels about the film and what they think of my performance in the film.